These are my favorite tools for finding families in the UK during the 1800s. I use three main tools. The first is the Grow Index. It's the quarterly registrations for births and deaths in the UK between 1837 and 1920. What it does is helps me find the mother's maiden name and then use that name to find potential siblings to put families together. Using the Grow Index, you can take a name from a census record or christening record, plug it in here, put in the district, and search for the mother's maiden name. In this particular case, Ainsworth was the only potential mother that came up for this name at this time period. So you can take Ainsworth, plug it in the mother's maiden name slot, remove the first name, and search again to find potential siblings who came from the same family. The second is Family Search, and I use it for three different things. One, I don't have a main tree I keep in a family tree application like Ancestry, MyHeritage, or Find My Past. I just use Family Search because it integrates with all of those products. The second is doing record searches. They have so many christening records, it's easy to find families bunched during a time frame with matching parents' names in their record search. And the third is the historical maps. Because the Grow Index uses a district, I have to convert a parish to a district, and I use maps to do that function. So here's Family Search Maps. Given a parish name, type that in, click Search, find what I'm looking for, and then click on the Jurisdiction tab, and I can see what the registration district is. Then I'll use that in the Grow Index to find the right people. And the last is Ancestry. I use Ancestry as a sandbox, a place where I can create microtrees around individual families just to source them. And although your Ancestry tree can be public or private, you can share it with specific editors to be able to work on your tree. And for the work that I do, Ancestry gives the best user experience. It gives me hints, it allows me to search, it allows me to attach records and bring families together quicker than any other application I've worked with. Here's a profile page in Ancestry, and as you can see as I click through the hints I've already accepted, I can see the life cycle of the person come through from their parents, the siblings that lived at home with them, and then were married and they moved away. One of Ancestry's best features is the hints, where they proactively bring you hints for sources they think match your people. And if you're not finding what you're looking for, you can do a search for people in context and easily attach it to your person. Using these three tools together, I can validate what I currently have, and I can research the things I don't know. It used to be that not knowing the mother's maiden name was a dead end. It's not anymore. With the right tools, it's fairly easy to find families in the 1800s in the UK. So here's an example of using all three tools. On the left is Grace's Family Search page. She has 6 sources, 7 children, and married to Major. Using the Grow Index, I was able to match Grace and Dorothy in order to find the mother's maiden name, and also found 2 additional children. Using Ancestry, I was able to grow this family further. I was able to return 31 more sources and 4 more children. So using the right tools and a little bit of effort, I was able to validate what I had and also to add to my family people I didn't know.